Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar, along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get to some moves in among specific stocks. With us is Bloomberg cross-asset reporter Emily Grafeo. How are you?
I'm good. I'm a little cold in here. Yeah. It's
I'm going to tell
Christmas
you guys something.
Themed. It's like winter wonderland.
I think the temperature is perfect.
Yeah. I'm thinking about those things you put in when you're hiking and it's cold. I'm going to get some, and I think putting
hand
in
warmers.
Yeah. Like, you hit them and they warm up.
For
I'm going
like
to put them in my pockets.
20 degrees.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not wearing a jacket.
68
but
in here. It's perfect. Carol, not too far away.
My nose is cold. All right. Let's get to some stocks on the move. The pursuit of Warner Brothers Discovery. The stock's been moving around.
Yeah, so that stock dropped almost 3% today. And then in the post-market, it's down about 0.5%. We're, of course, talking about Warner Brothers, ticker WBD. So it's at about $28.75 a share. Now, remember, the Netflix bid was $27.75. And Paramount's original bid, their idea was $30 a share. So it's bouncing around, but those are some key levels to take into consideration. But the latest on this media deal saga is Warner Brothers planning to reject Paramount's hostile takeover bid due to concerns about financing and other terms. This is a Bloomberg scoop, according to people familiar with the matter. So the Warner Brothers board still views the company's existing agreement with Netflix as offering greater value. And one sticking point here is that Warner Brothers is concerned about the financing proposed by Paramount, which of course, led by David Ellison. A lot of that equity that they're providing is backstopped by a trust that's managed by the wealth of Larry Ellison. And because it's a revocable trust, the assets can be taken out. So the idea here, I guess, it adds some uncertainty to this. And Warner Brothers is saying, why would we go with that if we have the money from Netflix? We also got another headline that has to do with Warner Brothers just basically at the same time that the Paramount news came out, but also that Jared Kushner's Affinity partners exiting from their takeover battle.
Yeah, it's interesting. You need a whiteboard, but we're not done yet, right? So we'll keep an eye on this one. What?
It's still, even if Affinity Partners is out, Paramount's offer is being bankrolled by a list of influential media Middle Eastern investors: Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, Qatar Investment Authority, the Abu Dhabi group called Limad Holding Company. So it's still a diverse group. I guess the question is, does the group change if Paramount says, okay, well, actually, we really do want this. Yeah, we'll sell some Oracle stock and pony up the deal.
I don't know. Right?
You should get in there, Tim. Tell them what to do. I'll also note that Netflix in the post market, it's up 0.6%. So it's not a huge move, but we did see a little spike on these headlines.
Okay.
Let's go to Affirm. That one. Talk to us about what is on your radar with this one.
Okay, so this is a buy now, pay later company. They had a industry event today. It's not doing much in the post-market trade, but it was up about 12% in the regular trading session. The company's CFO said at an industry event, quarter-to-date trends were healthy. And this is according to an Evercore ISI analyst that was at this event.
Right.
I watch companies like this that do buy now, pay later because it's like, okay, like the company's doing well, but does that mean that maybe the consumer is more constrained because people are pushing off paying for whatever, their food, their Christmas presents?
Agreed.
Because they don't have that, money in their wallet.
Right.
Bloomberg Intelligence also had some research out today about Affirm. They said that Apple's multi-lender partnerships and adoption among millennials and Gen Z can help buy now, pay later companies, including Affirm.
Okay.
Same thing. We've had that conversation too, that if their business is off and running, what does it mean that consumers are just, doing buy now, pay later for more and more things? I feel like you go and buy anything online, there's always a buy now, pay later option, including if you go to Estee Lauder.
Oh.
That's right.
Good segue.
And maybe more people will be going to Estee Lauder now because Bank of America has raised their price target on the stock, ticker EL. It was up over 3% today in the regular trading session. The company said it's its top pick in beauty for 2026, citing improved beauty demand in China and the U.S. So keep an eye on that one.
China's I mean, this stock is on a tear. It's had some issues, but China's a really important market for them. So that's kind of interesting to see.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.